Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to create a thought record diary. A thought record diary helps you apply effective techniques from cognitive behavioral therapy to your everyday life. By journaling regularly, you can process complex thoughts and emotions, which helps improve your mood. This thought record diary aims to help someone notice negative automatic thoughts and feelings, and then reshape them in a more positive and balanced way. Hey guys, my name is Christina Ramas. I create self-help journals to sell in Amazon KDP. Welcome to my channel. Please consider subscribing and hit the bell icon for future video updates, and let's begin. I have here is 6x9, 120 pages, black and white interior with bleed. The first page is the journal belongs to page. Then the copyright page. Then followed by the 2022 to 2025 calendar. I include the All About Me page. First, this is my commitment page that says I will keep track with myself about the emotion that has been bothering me every. The ninth page will be the thought record page. Okay, there's a box here that answers the question, what was the problem situation? When was the situation? What was I doing? Where was I? And who was I with? The second box here is for the beliefs, automatic thoughts, and attitudes. So this answers the question, what was I telling myself immediately when the event happened? And how strong this was? And then you have to underline the hat thought. The hat thought is a thought that you feel the most intense. For the consequences, you have to write your moods, emotions, and feelings you feel at the time and how strong this was. There's a writing space here to challenge hat thought, like why is my hat thought true? Or why might my hat thought not be true? Moving on to the alternative thought, like what will my new healthy thought be? And there's a space here to re-rate moods, emotions, and feelings. And I'm going to duplicate the thought record page and the personal notes page to complete the 120-page interior. To create this thought record page is just so easy, so without further ado, let's begin. Make sure you sign into Canva. Click Create a Design. Then Custom Size. Make sure to choose inches. It's going to be 6.125 by 9.25. You may notice that the custom size is not exactly written as 6x9. Based from the KDP guidelines for the manuscript, in your manuscript contain images or graphics that bleed to the edge of the page, you need to increase the page size. And then you have to add 0.125 of an inch to the width and 0.25 of an inch to the height. That's why it's 6.125 by 9.25. Then let's move on to create a design. When designing for your interior pages, you need to be extra careful you don't lose any of your elements while printing. That's where margins come in, so any details that your pages have shouldn't be beyond the margins. Whether you're a Canva Free or Pro, you are able to use margins whenever you want. You can go to the File option and click the Show Margins. Basically, text, images, or other important design elements should be inside the safety lines. Okay, I'm going to show you now how I design the thought record page. To add text, you can click the Text tab from the side panel. Click Add a Heading, add a subheading, or add a little bit of body text. Wait, I'm going to disable my Pro Writing Aid for now. Actually, Pro Writing Aid is my writing editor and it helps me a lot in my grammar checking. This is where you can change text, font, size, color, spacing, and for more text formatting options like adding effects. I want to group this text all together. I'll head to the top right and click the group button. And you can see here that it's easy for me to move this text as if it's in one piece. You may explore here the style feature and choose the font combination you like. You may play around the transparency to level up your design. And finally, this is my thought record page. Just to remind you that I will be sharing the continuation of what I've been designing in tomorrow's video. So if you're interested in what I design about for the next pages, make sure to watch tomorrow's video and continue learning the how-to of creating a thought record diary. So please let me know in the comments below your thoughts. If you like creating journal, please give this video a thumbs up. Bye for now and see you tomorrow. Please don't forget to subscribe.